c plus 19 is equal to 0. I have to find the value of c. What I have to do first, I have to move positive 19 to the right side of the equal sign. Remember, anytime you move the number or variable to the other side of the equal sign when the rest of the equation stays at the original position, we're supposed to change the sign. So that's why I'm going to have c equals 0 minus 19. 0 minus 19 is simply negative 19. So that's why c is equal negative 19. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's verify this answer. You have to replace this c by negative 19. And I'm going to have negative 19 plus 19 equals 0. Negative 19 plus 19 is equal 0. 0 is equal 0. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is correct answer. Let's take a look at the second example. I have to find value of c. What I have to do first, like always, we have to move, this time, negative 5 to the right side of the equal sign. And I'm going to have c equals negative 16 plus 5. Remember, anytime we will move the variable or number to the other side of the equal sign, when rest of the equation stays at the original positions, we have to change the sign from negative to positive in this case. So I'm going to have c equals negative 16 plus 5. Anytime you add negative number to positive, you're supposed to perform the subtraction. From the bigger number, subtract the smaller number and keep the sign of the larger number. 16 minus 5 is equal 11. And I'm supposed to keep the sign which is next to the larger number. That's why this is negative 11. Okay, this is the solution to my problem. And let's verify this answer. We have to replace this c by negative 11. Negative 11 minus 5 has to be equal negative 16. Negative 11 negative 5 is equal negative 16, and I have negative 16. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is correct answer for my problem.